Alright, so here's just a quick video for you today. um, so I've been moving this Super Duty around on the trailer, and I haven't had a brake controller in the truck, which is kind of dangerous. So I'm going to show a quick video of how to actually install one on a truck like this. I'll actually show you how to hook it up on a Super Duty. Because actually the connectors and everything are the same between a Super Duty 2003 and a 97 F350. So I'm assuming all the old body style Fords had this. So first thing you're obviously going to need is a brake controller. This is the brand of this one. It's a Reese Pilot brake controller. And then you're also going to need the wiring harness adapter. Normally this is about 10 times as long as this. I cut it really short because of where I'm going to mount the brake controller in here. It doesn't need to be that long. So I'll show you on this truck. It's hard to see. But up in here, there's a gray connector. That is the wiring harness. So you can snake it up from under here. See my fingers up in there. You just plug that harness, the adapter that you buy, into there. And then hook the wires to your brake controller and mount your brake controller wherever you want. So what we're going to do here is got to crimp these wires together. I'm going to crimp them together and show you where it's going to go in this truck. Alright, so as you can see, I got this done. It's pretty simple. You just got 4 of these style connectors. It's like that. What are they actually called? That's what they are. You just crimp them on here, and then I wrapped it with tape. So let me make sure that light. Okay, so this truck's pretty easy too. So right under the dash, right here. Let's see if I can get a good angle on there. Right here is the same connector. So all you have to do is take this, your brake controller. It's a little bit awkward with one hand. Just take this connector and you literally plug it in. Okay? Now if you look at this, it has that like C. Okay? That tells you that you're connected to your trailer. So like if I were to unplug my trailer here, now it's gone. See, when I click the button, just the dot shows up. Okay. So plugged it back in. Now you see that. Now when I hit the button, I start getting numbers, which is good. It means it's working. So on this one, I'm just going to mount it right there into the dash. Nice and clean, out of the way. So I'll set this up and show you what it looks like when it's mounted. Alright, so here it is mounted. On this one, all I did is there's a hole right there that I just put a single screw through right into the dash. It looks clean. You know, it's out of the way. You're not constantly kicking your foot on it. It's not very obtrusive. You know, I mean, it just blends right in almost. You don't really know it's there. You know, it's not like this stupid thing, which is right in the way. No, I did not put this there. But, you know, it blocks off your couple is dumb. We'll move that. But it just right out of the way, nice and clean looking. You know, it works good. I like it. So, and yes, it does work. Like, here, I'll hit my brake. Let off the brake, on the brake. Off the brake, on the brake. So it works. Now I can haul my trailers without having to worry about not having brakes. You know, when you haul a really heavy load and don't have brakes, you really can't get over like 20 miles an hour, 30 miles an hour, you know, because it doesn't stop real well. Even heck, with just this trailer hooked up, you kind of have to 2-foot the brake pedal, which is very dangerous. So now I can safely haul this trailer and go pick up loads, see how this truck actually handles on like a long trip. I got a few things I'm gonna haul with it, so it'll be good to see. So just a little bit of an update. I got some videos coming for this. I'll let you in on a little bit. I'm doing exhaust manifolds first, drilling and tapping for a gauge. That's coming here this week. I got to do that. I bought gauges. They're coming. I also have an electronic fuel system that's going to get put on this truck. Get rid of all the factory stuff. No fuel bowl. None of that. It's going to have its own separate system. And then I also got a chip coming for it. And a downpipe. So I'm going to be doing this in order. Probably it'll be manifolds first, gauges, downpipe, electrical fuel system, and then the chip. And we'll see. I'll go through each thing. See if I'll show you on the gauges how much difference does that downpipe make in your exhaust temps. How much difference does the electric fuel system for performance? Does it get better fuel economy? You know, that was things I always wondered. When you go from electric to from mechanical to electric, it should make it more efficient because it's no longer dragging on the cam or anything. You know, very little, but we'll see how much of a difference it makes. I'll be able to maintain the 45 psi. You know, these factory fuel systems were known for not being able to maintain a good pressure. So we're going to be taking care of that. And then how much difference do all the horsepower settings make? You know, if I put it to the 140 horsepower setting on the chip and it just skyrockets my EGTs, well, that's a problem. We're going to have to rethink it. I'm also going to try to pull the intercooler off the Super Duty back there and somehow make it fit on this. A lot of custom work there, but I'm going to be doing it, or attempting to, at some point too. So quite a few videos coming for this truck here in the next probably 2 weeks or so. So stay tuned for those. Should be pretty fun. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.